While most people think of Oktoberfest and beer when they picture Germany, the Ahr Valley is a hidden gem, famous for its dramatic red wine vineyards that seem to defy gravity as they climb the steep, lush green hillsides. The landscape is a patchwork of terraced vines, creating a breathtaking panorama that changes with the seasons. In 2021, the Ahr Valley faced devastating floods that swept through the region, leaving destruction in their wake. But the story didn't end there. The local community came together with incredible resilience and determination, working tirelessly to restore their beloved vineyards and rebuild their homes. Today, the valley stands as a testament to their spirit, and visitors are welcomed back with open arms, eager to share the fruits of their labor and the beauty of their land. If you're looking to escape the crowds and discover a side of Germany that few travelers ever see, the Ahr Valley is your perfect destination. Here, you can wander quiet trails, explore peaceful villages, and soak in views that feel like your own private discovery.